Hey smoothie lovers! Strawberry cup with straw. Are you looking for a powerful blender that won't break the bank? Whether you're blending fruits, veggies, or ice for your favorite recipes, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're revealing the top affordable blenders of 2025 that deliver amazing results without the high price tag. These budget-friendly options are perfect for anyone who wants smooth, delicious drinks at home fast, easy, and on a budget. Let's dive in and find your perfect blender match. If you're always on the move and looking for a quick, convenient way to enjoy healthy drinks, the NutriBullet Portable Blender is a game changer. This compact and cordless blender features a 20 ounces blending vessel, making it perfect for single servings of smoothies, protein shakes, or even baby food. It's USB-C rechargeable, so you can power it up easily at home, in the car, or even with a power bank. Don't be fooled by its size. The powerful motor can crush ice and frozen fruits with ease, giving you smooth, creamy blends in seconds. The sleek black design looks modern and fits effortlessly in your cup holder or backpack. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and incredibly simple to clean. Just blend some water with a drop of soap and rinse. Whether you're at the gym, the office, on a road trip, or anywhere in between, this blender is your perfect health companion. Ready to make clean eating easier than ever? Click the link in the video description to get your NutriBullet Portable Blender today and start blending on your own terms. Looking for a blender that can truly do it all? The Chefman Obliterator Countertop Blender is built to handle everything from your morning smoothies to crushing the toughest ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and even nuts. With a powerful 1380-watt motor, this blender delivers professional-level performance right in your kitchen, making it ideal for health-conscious individuals, busy families, and anyone who loves to get creative in the kitchen. Whether you're blending a nutrient-packed green smoothie or whipping up sauces, soups, or nut butters, the Obliterator tackles it with ease and consistency. Its robust stainless steel blade design ensures thorough blending, and the auto blend function takes the guesswork out of timing. Just press the button and let it do the work for you. One of the standout features of this blender is the generous 48 ounces capacity jar, perfect for making multiple servings at once, whether you're meal prepping or making drinks for the whole family. But Chefman didn't stop there. It also comes with a 20 ounces travel jar, so you can blend and go without needing to transfer your drink to another container. This is ideal for morning routines, workouts, or busy commutes. The sleek midnight finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen counter, and its durable build ensures it can stand up to frequent use. Cleaning is also a breeze, which is often a deal breaker for most kitchen appliances. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the self-cleaning function helps you save time. Just add a drop of dish soap with warm water, run the blender for a few seconds, and you're ready to go. The Chefman Obliterator isn't just a blender, it's a powerful kitchen assistant designed to make your life easier, healthier, and more delicious. If you're serious about blending and want a reliable, heavy-duty machine that can keep up with your lifestyle, the Chefman Obliterator is an excellent choice. With its high-powered motor, versatile blending options, and extra travel jar, it offers incredible value for its price. Ready to upgrade your blending game? Click the link in the video description below to grab your Chefman Obliterator now and experience the perfect blend of power, convenience, and performance in one sleek machine. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful blender that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Coconst 18 ounces personal size blender is exactly what you need. This mini portable blender is designed for those who want health and convenience in one sleek device. Whether you're heading to the gym, traveling, at work, or just need a quick smoothie at home, this blender is your perfect daily companion. Don't let the size fool you. This small powerhouse is equipped with 6 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades that spin at high speed, easily crushing ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables to give you smooth, delicious blends every time. One of the standout features of the Coconst blender is its USB Type-C rechargeable design, which offers fast charging and long-lasting battery life. You can easily charge it via a power bank, laptop, car charger, or any USB-C port, making it incredibly versatile for use anywhere. With a powerful motor packed into a lightweight and compact design, this blender offers portability without sacrificing performance. It's ideal for making protein shakes, smoothies, fresh juices, and even baby food, all with just a press of a button. The 18 ounces BPA-free blending cup is perfectly sized for single servings, and it also doubles as a travel cup, meaning you can blend and drink straight from the same container. It comes with a secure lid and leak-proof design so you can confidently take your drink with you on the go. Cleaning the coconut blender is just as easy as using it. Just add a bit of water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, and rinse. That's it. No complicated disassembly or hard to clean parts. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, manage your weight, or just want a more convenient way to enjoy fresh beverages, the coconut portable blender is a must-have. It's perfect for students, travelers, athletes, and busy professionals. Stylish, durable, and incredibly easy to use, it brings the smoothie bar experience wherever you go. So why wait? Take control of your nutrition and enjoy fresh, homemade blends anywhere, anytime. Click the link in the video description below to order your coconut personal blender today and start living healthier the simple way. Whether it's for yourself or a gift for someone who's always on the move, this is one gadget that truly delivers. If you're looking for a powerful yet compact blender to help you stay on track with your health and fitness goals, the Koyos 900W Smoothie Blender is exactly what you need in your kitchen. This personal blender combines strength, speed, and convenience into one sleek appliance. With its impressive 900-watt motor, it delivers enough power to crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients like nuts and leafy greens effortlessly, giving you silky smooth results in just seconds. Whether you're making protein shakes, fruit smoothies, green juices, or even homemade sauces, the Koyos blender can handle it all with ease. Designed with practicality in mind, this blender includes two BPA-free 22 ounces portable cups that are perfect for single servings and on-the-go lifestyles. The cups come with convenient travel lids, so you can blend your drink and take it with you, no need to transfer it to another container. Whether you're heading to the gym, the office, or running errands, this blender makes it easy to stay nourished while on the move. The single-serve design also means there's less mess, quicker prep time, and a much easier cleanup compared to larger countertop blenders. One of the things users love most about the Koyos blender is its simple one-touch operation. Just load your ingredients, lock the cup into place, and press down. That's it. The powerful blades and high-speed motor do the rest. The stainless steel blade assembly is built for durability and performance, consistently blending even the hardest ingredients into a smooth, drinkable texture. Plus, the compact base fits neatly on your kitchen counter or can be stored easily in a cabinet when not in use. Cleaning up is also super easy. Just rinse the blade and cup with warm, soapy water or toss them in the dishwasher. They're dishwasher safe. This blender isn't just for smoothies either. You can use it for nut butters, dressings, baby food, frozen drinks, and more. It's a versatile tool that makes healthy living simpler and more accessible every day. If you're ready to take your nutrition and convenience to the next level, the Koyos Smoothie Blender is a must-have. It's powerful, portable, easy to use, and perfect for busy individuals who want to stay healthy without the hassle. Click the link in the video description below to order yours today and see why so many people are making Koyos their go-to blender for smoothies and more. You'll love how easy it is to blend, sip, and go with this compact powerhouse. If you're serious about blending and want a high-performance machine that does more than just smoothies, the NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. This powerhouse features an impressive 1,400-watt motor that brings commercial-level blending right to your countertop. Whether you're crafting creamy smoothies, silky soups, nut butters, sauces, or frozen drinks, this blender handles it all with precision and power. It's built for performance, and the sleek gunmetal gray finish gives it a modern, professional look that enhances any kitchen space. What sets this blender apart is its SmartSense technology, which automatically adjusts speed and power for optimal results. Combined with 5 intuitive speed settings, this gives you full control whether you want a chunky salsa or a velvety smoothie. It's designed to take the guesswork out of blending and ensure consistent, high-quality results every single time. The precision-engineered stainless steel blades are tough enough to crush ice and pulverize even the hardest ingredients, so you get smooth textures without any chunks or grit. The Smart Sense blender combo comes with a large capacity pitcher for family-size servings, as well as a personal cup for on-the-go convenience. Whether you're meal prepping or just making a quick shake before work, NutriBullet has you covered. The personal blending cup is perfect for single-serve use and comes with a to-go lid, so you can blend and take your drink with you in the same container. It's a practical, time-saving feature that busy individuals will love. Cleaning is also incredibly simple. The pitcher, lid, and personal cup are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup fast and hassle-free. Plus, the sturdy base is easy to wipe down. The combination of smart features, powerful performance, and thoughtful design makes this blender a go-to choice for anyone who wants to eat healthier and cook smarter. It's not just a blender, it's a complete blending solution designed to adapt to your lifestyle. If you're ready to invest in a high-performance blender that can keep up with your creativity in the kitchen, the NutriBullet Smart Sense blender combo is the one to get. With cutting-edge technology, versatile accessories, and serious power, it's built to handle anything you throw at it. Click the link in the video description below to get yours today and bring professional-grade blending into your home. Whether you're blending for one or for the whole family, this machine delivers the results you'll love every time.